In the vast expanse of the United States, an astonishing 77% of women live in states where abortion access is severely restricted. This alarming statistic underscores the reality of a contentious issue that has been at the center of legal and ethical debates for decades: abortion rights. The situation in Texas, for instance, is a poignant illustration of the challenges women face. A law that bans abortions after embryonic cardiac activity is detected has transformed access to abortion into a lengthy and difficult process. Women are compelled to travel hundreds of miles to out-of-state clinics, grappling with logistical hurdles such as childcare, travel costs, and missed work. The brunt of these barriers is disproportionately borne by marginalized communities. Experts opine that this restrictive law is a glimpse into what a post-Roe America could look like. The potential for the Supreme Court to overturn Roe v. Wade looms large, which would further curtail access to abortion across the country. This would not only impact women's autonomy over their bodies, but also have far-reaching implications on societal norms and values. A case in point is that of 𝗛cie𝗽𝗲, a pregnant woman in Texas who recently received an emergency court order to get an abortion. Her developing fetus was diagnosed with trisomy 18, a rare chromosomal disorder likely to cause stillbirth or the death of the baby shortly after birth. 𝗛ci𝗽's life and future fertility were at great risk, but the restrictive law in Texas did not provide an exemption for her situation. The legal implications of this case are profound. It signifies a potential shift in the interpretation and application of abortion laws. While the Texas Attorney General's office argued against the order, stating that 𝗛cie𝗽𝗲 had not sufficiently demonstrated immediate and irreparable injury, the judge granted the order. This case, one of the first of its kind, could set a precedent for future cases where the health of the mother is at risk. On the national level, the implications of this case are even more significant. If the Supreme Court allows the Mississippi 15-week ban to stand, it would be legal to ban abortion at earlier points in pregnancy. This, in turn, could pave the way for more states to impose similar restrictions, further limiting women's access to abortion. In conclusion, the contentious issue of abortion rights is at a critical juncture. The restrictions in states like Texas and potential changes at the Supreme Court level could dramatically change the landscape of women's reproductive rights. As society grapples with these changes, the voices of women like 𝗛cie𝗽𝗲 remind us of the very real human consequences of these laws. The ongoing debate around abortion rights is not merely a legal issue, but a deeply personal one, affecting the lives of countless women across the country.